Members of Igbo Leaders of Thought have passed a vote of confidence on Governor Soludo for what they described as deliberate efforts he has put in place to liberate Anambra from backwardness. They made their decisions shortly after touring Governor Soludo's projects led by the Deputy Chief of Staff and Chief Protocol, Sir Chinedu Moye.
Where the Ekulobia flyover, Solution Fund City, New Government House, and Governor's Lodge, all in Oka, Oboko, New Haven, among others. And the Igbo leaders congratulated Governor Soludo for the wonderful impressions he has left in the minds of Anambra, affirming that the enthusiasm of Anambra is very high as they welcomed peace and stability in the state. Speaking through Professor Elochukwu Amuchazi, the members of one of Igbo Apex cultural groups said that with what they met on the ground, Anambra is cruising into developing all sectors of the state economy simultaneously, adding that the assemblance of Anambra from all walks of life during the Easter celebration was phenomenal.
First, with the dual carriageways, with solution, a market there.
Okay,
the government house, and all rest of them. The neatness of the road and the spirit of the Anambrarians. The roads are quiet. It's a measure of sincerity, you can see, and admiration.
On their part, Professor Ike Oluka from Enugu State University of Science and Technology and Bishop Obi Onubogu noted that the amazing part is that Governor Soludo never borrowed any money for the project. They added that his charismatic nature is one of the reasons God is leading him right, praying God to continue to bless him with wisdom.
Project, and we are happy. But please note jinx of 34 years over Anambra State and Anambrarians has been broken. We are doing big things. We are building big things. We are attracting people. Our people are happy. Our people are more enthusiastic about homecoming and doing things.
In Oka, I am Ngozi Obileri for ABS News.